Nicole struggled on Etsy for 10 years, a whole decade of optimizing listings, paying for ads, lowering prices, and competing with cheap imports. She was ready to quit. Then she discovered one simple shift. And after she found it, she made 187 sales in a single day. What changed? She stopped burning herself out trying to build her own audience, and instead she started tapping into audiences that already existed. That was it. That one change took her from invisible to over $1 million in total sales from selling her handmade crayons online. And while Nicole is great, she's just like you and me, nothing out of the ordinary. My other student, Chanel, did the same thing. Before using my system, her husband was never home. He was the primary breadwinner and was always traveling for work. Now, Chanel makes enough to retire him. He's home full-time with their kids. I've helped over 1,000 makers transform their struggles into success. They don't do it by posting more on social media or running expensive ads or competing on price or working 60-hour weeks. In the Creative Hive, we follow a completely different roadmap. One that works even if you have 0 followers, even if you hate social media or you can't afford ads, or you don't have an email list. I'm breaking down this entire system in a free workshop. You'll learn the one change that frees you from Etsy's super high fees and Instagram's dead algorithms. You'll learn how to borrow other people's audiences legally and ethically to get consistent sales, and you'll learn the simple automation that sells even while you sleep. I'm Maypak. I've built 3 7-figure creative businesses. My jewelry has been in magazines and on TV shows, and I've generated millions in sales selling handmade products. But I started exactly where you are, struggling, confused, and just about ready to give up until I created this roadmap. Now I want to share it with you. Click below to register for the free workshop. Your struggling artist days can end, but only if you take action. So register now, and no, I am not sharing empty theory in this workshop. I'm giving you an exclusive look at a proven system, one that over 1,000 other makers have used successfully. Many artists went from barely surviving to consistent, predictable income growth month after month. So if it worked for them, it can work for you too. So click below while this workshop is still available.